Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you my 7 days experience with this Lean and Green Slimming Coffee. So if you want to know if this product is really effective, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, so it has actually been 7 days since the first time kong tinry itong Lean and Green Coffee or Slimming Coffee ng Lean and Green. So ngayon, isi-share ko na sa inyo yung aking 7 days experience as it actually promises to deliver results as early as 7 days. So, meron pa rin akong cheat sheet sa baba and don't mind me if I'm looking there because chine-check ko lang if I'm in focus with this camera. So, as what I've mentioned before, Lean and Green Coffee is actually 270 pesos. So, medyo may kamahalan siya kasi yung isang box is 270 pesos and 7 pieces lang ang laman niya. So, pumapatak na 38.57 or 38.50 ang isang piraso. Kung iisipin mo magkano ang isang kape, plus mo siya sa isang tsaa, plus collagen, plus non-fat creamer, stevia, Garcinia Cambodia. I think that price is actually reasonable. Reasonable. Kasi ang isang coffee ngayon ay magkano na ba? 9 pesos? So, I know that's a definite difference with the amount. Pero considering the 9 ingredients of this product, yung 38 pesos 0.57 is reasonable, lalo na pag nalaman nyo na effective ang product na ito. So again, it's an organic, all-natural green coffee that helps lose unwanted fats. So, yun na nga, meron siyang 9 main ingredients, which is green coffee bean, Garcinia Cambodia, psyllium fiber husk, L-carnitine, green tea, collagen, coffee, non-fat cream, and stevia. I actually discussed a little bit about those 9 major ingredients on my previous video. So if you have not seen that, I will put the link on the description box below. So, skip na tayo from ingredients to my experience. So again, I actually noted what happened to me for the last 7 days para mas detalyado yung aking video para sa inyo. So, saan nga ba siya nabibili? Nabibili sa Lazada, sa Shopee, sa Instagram, and sa Facebook. Pero sabi nila, meron daw fake na Lean and Green coffee. So I'm not really sure kung meron talaga nun. So it will be best if you will purchase it from a legit seller. I have my cousin, which is Ed's Galang. I will put her link on the description box below. At legit seller siya ng Lean and Green coffee. So, on day 0 is basically the day na finilm ko yung aking previous first impression video about the Lean and Green product. No changes, no difference. I did not feel anything. Masarap yung coffee. Nakaka-addict nga siya kasi it's light. It's not that strong. It's not super creamy also. So it's a real balance of brewed coffee for me based on my taste buds. So on the first day, actually, I immediately feel the loss of appetite. So usually kasi, 7 pa lang nakikrave na ako ng dinner. Knowing na nagigising ako ng 11 or 12 p.m. kasi nga BPO time yung sinusunod namin. And nagbe-breakfast na kami ng around 2 to 3. So, knowing na 2 or 3 ako nag-breakfast, usually 7 or 8 nagugutom na ako. I don't know why, pero maaga kasi ako nagugutom. And then, on the first day, after the first day na nag-take ako nito, na-feel ko na alas 9 na, alas 10 na, hindi pa ako nagugutom. And then, because I actually started taking this twice a day, no mga 10 p.m., I decided to take this lang. And then, after kong i-take to, kumain ako kasi I feel like yung sikmura ko, wala nang laman, pero hindi ako nagugutom. So, I decided na kumain na lang ng noodles. So, that actually proves na super effective siya, especially on the, even on the first day. Kasi, nawala yung hunger, yung craving, yung hunger pangs na sinasabi nila. And yung craving ko, nawala siya. And, nire-remind ka na lang niya na kumain talaga kasi oras na para kumain, not because you are really, really hungry. On day 2, same thing, wala ring LBM na naganap. Regular lang naman yung bowel movement ko, 1 in the morning and 1 in the afternoon. Same lang din siya. Same lang. Walang nangyari. Pero may napansin lang ako, no? So, TMI siguro ito. Too much information. I think it actually releases or remove the gas in your stomach. Kasi, nung araw na yon, second day or third day yata, panay utot ko. Talaga, utot ako ng utot. And yung utot na yun talagang hindi normal. Yung para bang isang linggo kang hindi dumumi sa baho ng utot na yun. So, I don't know if it's just something that sa akin lang kasi may slow metabolism talaga ako. So, siguro digestive problem na rin yun on my part. But comment down below kung ganun din yung naging reaction sa inyo or naging effect niya sa inyo after nyo itry yung lean and green coffee. So, ganun lang. Wala naman masyadong changes. So, sabi niya, 1 box pa lang may effect na. Yun ang sabi ng produkto, no? But my seller actually recommended twice a day to make it more effective or to make it fast effective. Kasi one box is really effective. So, kahit once a day mo lang siyang i-take, 1 in the morning before breakfast, may effect na siya. So, ang equivalent ng 7 sachets is technically 3 or 4 days sa akin kasi twice a day ako. So, this is what happened on my 4th day. 3rd ba or 4th? Yeah, on my 4th day. May gig ako nung araw na yun. So, it's a makeup gig. I am a makeup artist, just so you know. And then, morning, not really morning, pero para sa akin morning yun kasi alas 3 yung gig and I normally get up 12 o'clock. So, that's on the earlier part of my day. Kumain naman ako, kumain ako ng 2 sunny side up and 2 bread, which is for me is a typical breakfast. So, normal naman, kumain ako, hindi empty yung stomach ko. And then, napansin ko, while doing the client's makeup, hindi man nahuhubo, pero nagsislide yung pants ko, na para bang akala mo maluwag na siya, hindi na siya kumakapit sa bewang ko. So, maya't maya, I'm pulling my pants. So, it's a little awkward with my client kasi I'm doing their makeup, tapos pull up ako ng pants. So, doon ko napansin na, pumayat ba ako? And then, pag uwi ko, nagtimbang ako, wala namang nabawas sa timbang ko. So, sabi ko, I think on the first 7 sachet, or the first box when you consume it, it is definitely effective, just not on the weight part, but on losing the inches. Kasi, hindi lang ako nag-measure ng bewang ko kasi wala naman akong medida at that time. Pero, super obvious talaga na nawala yung, nabawasan yung pagka-bloated ng tiyan ko, yung lahat ng naipon kong bilbil during Christmas and New Year na sobrang daming pagkain kong nakain. Feeling ko nawala na siya kasi gumaan yung pakiramdam ko and those are the same things that I actually experienced or that actually happened to me on the 4th and 5th day also. As in talagang nawala na yung pagka-bloated ng tiyan ko. Sabi nga nung asawa ko are you hungry, mommy? Kasi sabi niya my tummy is not actually that bulging anymore. It's not that, ano nga tawag doon? Yung parang buntis, hindi na masyadong mukhang parang buntis. Kasi nawala siya, nabawasan yung tiyan ko. Although, hindi nabawasan yung timbang ko. So, for me talaga, on the first 7 sachets, it is already effective. Not on the losing weight part, but on the losing of inches part. Now, let's proceed on my 5th day, no? On my 5th day, I can actually survive without eating too much rice. I am a rice eater, just so you know. I normally eat 1.5 cup of rice to 2 cups a day na consumption ko. And, or per meal, actually, per meal. Nung 4th or 5th day na, napansin ko na parang hindi na ako ganun kalakas kumain ng rice. So, I think maximum na nakakain ko is just 1 cup rice. Sometimes nga, half cup of rice lang So, for me, that is a big difference kasi we all know naman, rice is calories, rice is carbohydrate. So, definitely, the lesser consumption of rice or carbohydrates will result to weight loss. So, just so you know, hindi kasi talaga ako nag-exercise. Although, it's very important for me to do stretching and jumping jacks in the morning. 20 jumping jacks and 5 to 10 minutes of stretching in the morning. Kasi for me, sa isang tao na hindi naman ako nag-work at nasa bahay lang ako parati, it's very important for me to stretch my muscles and my bones kasi nga, lagi lang naman akong nakaupo sa bahay. And if I have enough time, then nagfi-film ako. So, it's very important na may konti rin akong physical activity. Although, hindi iyon exercise na matatawag kasi I don't lift weights, I don't do cardio that much. Unless nasa mood talaga ako, which is twice a month, I think. But during the first 7 days of using this, I did not do exercise at all except nga my morning stretching. And also, the other important thing is water intake. It's very, very important that you take 2 to 3 liters of water in a day. Bakit? Parang madilim tayo. Madilim ba? Ayan, adjust natin. Bakit kailangan? Kasi nga, first of all, this is coffee. Plus, this has psyllium fiber husk. So, it's good for digestion. It's a fiber that helps the digestive system. So, it's very important na dapat maraming tubig yung dumadaloy sa ating katawan para mas madali niya mapabilis yung digestive system. Or else, baka mauwi lang siya sa constipation or LBM if ever. So, dapat enough water din yung ating ini-intake. So, what I normally do is, when I get up in the morning, I take my vitamins kasi I have some vitamins that I'm taking. And then, I started taking this coffee. And then, after finishing the coffee, I drink 2 glasses of water. Yes, 2 glasses of water, not cold, just regular temperature. And then, after 30 minutes, that's the time I take my breakfast. And then, sa gabi, after nga ba? After dinner, actually, in between my dinner and my sleep time, usually I sleep at 2 a.m., my dinner is 10. So, around 11 or 12, iniinom ko na siya while watching Pinoy Big Brother. So, during that time, or my Korean novellas, during that time, iniinom ko na siya. And then, I also drink 2 glasses of water after that. So, if you think about it, almost 1 liter na ng tubig yung naiinom mo just by taking or drinking water after drinking this coffee. So, all you have to do is to make sure that every meal, 1 to 2 glass of water din yung iniinom mo, or in between meals, mag-iinom ka rin ng tubig, 1 to 2 glass also. Kasi it's really, really important to make yourself hydrated, and also it has a lot of benefits on hydrating your skin and also your digestive system. So, again, that's on the 4th or 5th day. Now, 6 days. Ano bang meron dito sa 6 days ko? Sa 6th day, actually, kumain pa ako ng pizza. Kumain ako ng pizza on the 6th day. Pasalubong kasi ni Habi. So, sabi ko, naku, baka walang maging epekto. Masira na yung effect ng lean and green coffee. So, hindi ako umasa na may malaking changes ako makikita. And then, come the 7th day, nakita nyo nga sa video kanina, come the 7th day, parang sabi ko, naku, parang wala namang pag-asa, pero masaya na ako kasi nawala yung pagiging bloated feeling ko. Magaan yung pakiramdam ko, parang hindi ako laging feeling busog, hindi rin ako laging feeling hungry. Plus, anong tawag doon? Parang nababawasan yung aking cravings. So, sabi ko, I think that's a good enough benefit with this coffee, kahit hindi na siguro mabawasan yung timbang ko. But, to my amaze, hindi ko na nga sure kung ilan eh. Pero nabawasan ako ng timbang after the 7th day. Today, hey guys, it's my 7th day. 7th day of taking lean and green coffee. And I'm taking it twice a day. And so far, I'm so happy with the results. So tomorrow, I'll be filming my 7th day or my 7 days journey with lean and green. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Yes, Totoo po, nabawasan po ako ng 3 kilo sa loob ng 7 araw. I know, right? It is definitely amazing! Ang tagal kong inipon ng fats na yon, tapos walang atubiling natanggal na lang siya bigla-bigla. So, I'm really happy with the result. So, if you're gonna ask me, sa 7 days pa talaga, mababawasan ka na ng timbang? Hindi po. In the 7 days, magkakaroon ng maraming changes, or maybe sobrang dami, magkakaroon ka na or makaka-notice ka na ng maraming changes sa sarili mo. Depende na lang sa iyong food intake and also sa ilang beses mong gamitin tong product na to bago mo makita yung resulta. Kasi, for me, 7 sachets, which is 1 box, show the effect of less bloating and loss of inches around my waist. So, imagine, kung once a day lang ako umiinom, yun yung eksaktong result na makukuha ko. I will not lose weight yet kasi nagtimbang ako that day. Hindi ako nabawasan ng timbang, pero I lost inches around my waist. Now, on the 7th day, nabawasan ako ng 3 kilos because I am using Lean and Green coffee twice a day. So, it is definitely effective, but the results may vary depending on how many times you will take the product. Now, disclaimer lang po. Not because it worked for me the same way that I explained earlier, it doesn't necessarily mean na mag-work siya sa'yo ng parehong-parehong eksaktong changes or parehong-parehong eksaktong paraan. So, kung pareho tayo ng pinagdaanan, just comment down below to share sa iba pa nating viewers kung ano yung pwede nilang ma-experience. Pero kung hindi, i-share mo na rin sa akin kung ano yung naranasan mo with this product. But sana tandaan mo lahat ng factors na ipinayo ko sa'yo. Make sure to drink plenty of water and make sure na yung pagtitimpla nito, 150 ml na tubig lang. Huwag mong masyadong dadamihan. Kailangan saktong-sakto lang kasi mababaliwala din yung effect niya. So, basically, that's it for the review of 7 days journey with the Lean and Green Slimming Coffee. So, sana may natutunan kayo or meron na itulong ang video na to sa inyo kung gusto nyong itry ang coffee na ito. So, thank you so much for watching this video and I hope to see you on my next one. Goodbye!